everyone. It doesn't see color or shape. We have enough of hate and violence. Now we need to build a new future full of love and understanding. Let's raise our glasses to Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day to all of you. My name is Tanuj Kumar and I am from grade 5. Today I will share a short speech on Independence Day. On this national celebration day, we all should feel proud of being a part of India. This independent nation gives us the freedom of all our rights as education, right to speech and many more. For almost 200 years, we were under the rule of British government. They treated us like slaves and destroyed our money and resources. But after many struggles by our freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmi Bai and many more, they fought bravely and make their sacrifices, and finally on 15 August we got freedom from Britishers. Without our freedom fighters becoming independent from British rule, it was impossible for us. So now independent India is a gift for us by our freedom fighters. So now it is our duty to value the independence by doing things like cleaning, keeping our environment clean, helping the people, those in need, and following the rules and regulations of our constitution. Lastly, I would like to say the young generation is future of our country, and by the talent of young people, the country will succeed in future. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friend. I am Anusha Tapki from grade 5. Today I will tell you about Independence Day. Now, first, wish you all Happy Independence Day. Now let's start. On 15 August 1947, India enjoyed independence after a series of movements in which many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives. So this day we mark the celebration of freedom from the British Empire that ruled our country from 200 years. Hence, to commemorate our history, freedom, we celebrate this day with full possession and energy all around the country. Independence Day is a national festival and is also a public holiday. On this day, flag hosting ceremonies, parades by armed force, and school children jackets with dance, singing activities, etc. held in different parts of the country. But the main celebration is held in the national capital, New Delhi, at the Red Fort before the political and social dignitary of India. So this day remarks the respect to our freedom fighters, and it's very special occasion to every citizen of India. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning to the respected chief guest, principal ma'am, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. Today we are here to celebrate the Independence Day of our nation. This day is the most important day for all of us because on this day in 1947 we got independence from the British rule. Great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose and many others devoted their entire life for the independence of our country. Their sacrifice can never be forgotten. They are not with us anymore, but their ideas remain all around us in the constitutional framework as well as our lives. We are fortunate that we are born in an independent country, and that's why we have our own fundamental rights. We can now speak against the evil without fear. Our independence is priceless. We must also respect the soldiers fighting on borders to protect our nation. At last, I would like to say that we are proud to be Indians. Our country is the best. We love it. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Nayasri Kantapki. Today I am telling Independence Day speech. We celebrate Independence Day 15 August of every year. On this day in 1947, India became independent from a British rule. The Prime Minister hoisted the national flag at Red Fort, Delhi. Independence Day festival of India. The Army, Air Force, Naval comparing the parade. We remember our freedom fighter on this day. This day teach us about power of humanity. In school and college also celebrating this day, distributing sweet. We should respect our nation. I love my country very much. I am proud of my country. Thank you, my dear friend, teacher, and my lovely principal ma'am. You listen to my this. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you for this.
देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद। नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद। रास्ते पे चलूँगा ना डर डर के, चाहे मुझे जीना पड़े मर मर के। मंजिल से पहले ना लूंगा कहीं दम, आगे ही आगे बढ़ाऊंगा कदम, दाहिने बाएं दम। नन्हा मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद। थैंक
We dance for laughter, we dance for tears, we dance for cheers, and we dance for everything.
Morning all, my name is Sharvari Vaikar. I am from 6th grade. My song name is ए वतन। ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन। तुझ पे कोई गम की आज आने नहीं दूँ, तुझ पे कोई गम की आज आने नहीं दूँ, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शान रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शान रहे तू। ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ए वतन मेरे वतन। Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Shivam Vijay Pasalkar from 6th standard. Today I will tell about Independence Day. As the Indian citizen, we should not consider the day for only hosting the flag and distributing sweets. The Independence Day of India should not be taken for granted, as people often forget the true meaning behind the celebration. Indian economic, social and political development are showcased on a global basis when people come to know about Independence Day. The hosting of the flag in every house is popular on the day of independence. Thank you.
My name is Sam. Study in grade 7. I am acting like Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Blood is calling to blood. Get up, we have no time to lose. Take your arms, we shall crave our way through enemy's rank. Or if God wills, we shall die a martyr's death. Jai Hind.
Hi everyone, my name is Shami Sachin Anpad. Today I will sing song for independence. ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ वहाँ याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ वहाँ याद रहे तू। ए वतन मेरे वतन, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। ए वतन मेरे वतन, जय हिंद।
Good morning to the principal, respected teachers, and all my friends. I wish you all a very happy 75th Independence Day. Today we are here to celebrate this auspicious occasion. Today was the day in 1947 when we got independence, when we were freed from British rule. We are fortunate that our forefathers fought for us and gave us a land of peace. The peaceful life that we are living today is all thanks to their sacrifices. So many great leaders like Bhagat Singh, Sarojini Naidu, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many others devoted their entire lives to the service of our nation. Today, India is the largest democracy in the world. We are one of the most emerging economies in the world and are developing rapidly in fields of technology, education, sports, and many more, which couldn't be possible without freedom. So at the end of my speech, I would like to say that we must be proud to be Indian. What we are and what we have now is given to us by our forefathers. Now it's time for us to do something significant for our country. Let's celebrate this occasion with joy and vigor and remember the sacrifices. I would like to conclude my speech with a few lines. ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Happy Independence Day. Good morning, principal ma'am, teachers, and all my friends. Today, me and my friend Shivas have got a big opportunity to speak on Independence Day song. Every year we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. Independence Day is one of the honorable celebration of our nation. We feel proud to celebrate Independence Day. India got freedom in year 1947 from the British ruling. Everyone will celebrate Independence Day as due respect for the country. People all over India celebrate Independence Day as a festival. As you all know, we are celebrating 74th Independence Day on 15th August 2021. This day is celebrated with a lot of enthusiasm and patriotism. We pay our tribute to our country and who lost their lives for setting the country free. Jawaharlal Nehru is one of the most important people in the list of Indian freedom fighters. After independence, Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of Free India. He was also the author of famous book Panchashila, where he was extremely fond of children. He simply loved and adored him. With his death, India lost the fearless leader of outstanding merits, great gifts and great qualities of head and heart. Now I will call my friend Shivas to tell more about Independence Day.
Thank you, Gandhar. Mahatma Gandhi, the leader of all Indian leaders, was born at Porbandar in Gujarat on 2nd October. He gave the people the weapon of non-violent struggle to fight injustice. He won freedom for India on 15th August 1947. He died on 30th January 1948. He is rightly known as the father of nation. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhiji is respected all over the world. Today, he shall never be forgotten. Another famous Indian fighter is Bal Gangadhar Tilak, who was born in Ratnagiri, a port in Maharashtra. His father was a teacher and a scholar. He was a brave boy and always fought for freedom, Swarajya and self-rule. He also started two newspapers, Maratha and Kesari, due to which he was sent into prison. He wanted to spread the message of Swarajya through his newspaper. He said, Swarajya, my birthright, and I shall have it. He had on 1st August. People loved him and accepted him as their leaders, and so he was called Lokmanya Tilak. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind.
Wow, what a lovely performance. My sincere thanks to my students for their hard work. And I request you all to